So how to get with that when it says code commit. So here you can able to see, right? This is a developer tools. The developer tools, all the things it will come in a single place. See here you can able to see code commit, artifacts, build, deploy, pipeline, settings. Okay, everything will come in the same single. Click on this one, right? It will be changed. Code build, code artifacts. Click on this one, code artifacts. It will be changed. So, like in the single service developer tools, we have all the things. Okay, we'll see one by one. Okay, here, what are the things we need to notice here? So here, the get started now. It will ask for the create repository. Okay, so how to do? Just go on create repository. What we can do with these repositories, how to give the permissions, all the things we can able to see from here only. Okay, like so tech. This is my repository name. Okay. This I'm not enabling any Cloud Guru review or for Java and Python code. So that is a testing purpose. So we are not going through anything, just we are creating the only one. Tech. Create. I have created the repository. So before we have seen anything, right? Here only repositories only name is there. Anything you able to see the things and all, no, right? Okay. After creating the repository, then only can able to see the all the things. Code, pull request, commits, branches, git tags, settings. Okay. So in Git, we have seen HTTPS, SSH, HTTPS, DRC. We have seen, right? GitHub.
CLI.
That only. Like demo. So here you can able to see, right? GitHub CLI, SSH, HTTPS. How we are cloning all the things by using the HTTPS. Right. How in the HTTP using this cloning URL by using the username and password, we are cloning all the things, pushing the code, everything we are doing, right? Same like this GitHub, we can able to see the this one using the HTTPS. SSH now we want to check it and we need to add the SSH keys. Okay, where we need to add and where we will get the user credentials for this code commit, all the things we will see. Okay, see like what are the things we need to see to clone the repository prerequisites. You must use Git client. So in your system, you need to install the Git. Okay. And you must have a code commit managed policy attached to your IAM user. You want to use code commit, right? Then you should have access to code commit. Okay. And cloning the repository. Just how we got the cloning URL here, right? Same as like that, we'll get the cloning repository. What? Git clone HTTPS, Git code commit, which region US East 1, Amazon AWS.com/v1 repo 7 importing. This is my repository. Okay. By using that, I can clone. Okay. So these are the empty repository. Can able to see here no files will be there. By here you can able to see only the empty repository. How to add the files? Clicking on upload file, create file. Want to create now, directly create from it from here, or else directly you can upload it from here. Upload file. Choose file. Okay, I am adding the Git one PDF file. Okay, author name, email address, commit message, all the things you wish. Like we are giving the messages, right? When we are Git committing and we are doing, right? Here you can able to see whenever you are uploading, add files, upload file. So here you can able to see commit changes, add optional description, message we are giving, right? In the CLI now we are giving the code commit -m. -m now what it will do, it will take the message. So how we need to write here now? Just we need to add in the option like execution commit changes. Here we need to give the name. So here what are the things? Author name now demo. Just email address is not required, I think so. I think we'll see. We'll give for sit dot com. That is example, not correct email ID. Okay. first commit changes. What it will do, it upload the file to the 7 Protect repository. Here you can able to find the things. Right. Here you can able to see Git file. We have uploaded one file here. Okay, which branch? This is the main branch. Here you can able to see. As like Git and GitHub, we can able to add the multiple branches here. Okay, cloning URL will be this one. Create pull request. Why using the create pull request in the sense like we having the different branches, right? So they are different developers will be doing the code in the different branches. So you want to pull from the other branch, right? So by compare and can pull it from here. Okay, the pull request we call it as a PR. In the organization level, everybody is called as a PR. So don't confuse what is meant by PR. PR nothing but pull request. Okay, so here we have seen if you come down here, pull request, all the things will be there. Want to create a pull request, you need to give the destination, a source, compare and pull it like that. And if you come down, commits will be there, right? Commits. Whenever you are committing, right? We have seen for the GitHub also, for every commit it having a unique commit ID. For this also it having the unique commit ID, right? You can able to see commit ID. The commit message you can able to see, right? Author date when we got committed, author name demo. We gave the just author name, right? So that is a demo. Committer demo action. It will be there. If you come in the commit visualizer, you can able to see the visualizer way. First commit, like it will be in the line, like only one commit is there, right? That's why you are not able to see all the things. If you see the proper way, right, the shape, you can able to find all the things, main, master. If you had any more branches, right, you can able to see all the things from here. Commits. If you want to compare, you can compare the both branches. See, I'm having a main branch, I'm having a master branch. They're both having the same code. But in in master branch, not having all the files. If you want to compare, click on compare, it will be compare the both branches. Here the branches. Okay. So how to do? Just create on the branch name from which branch you are going to create. So whenever we're creating the new branch in the local or Git, right, automatically we're taking the main branch. Right. We have seen that one. But here we can able to see whenever you're creating, this is a take it as a prod. Okay, from which branch you are creating this branch? Which one? Main branch. So whatever the content will be there in the main branch, it automatically copy to the prod. Okay, what we need to click on create branch. Here you can be able to see main will be the default branch. Prod will be the customized branch. You can able to see commit message, all the things will be same. We'll go and see in the code. Main, right? We'll go with the prod. See, git.pdf is there. Branches and git tags. Git tags we'll see later. Okay. Whenever we are pushing the code, right, we will maintain the tags for commits. So that will be different. We'll see in the later when we are doing the code deploy, all the things, right? And that time we'll see settings. If we come to settings, you can able to see the our repository name, repository ID, repository ARM. And if you come to the notifications, here we can able to create the notification. As of now, no notifications will be there. Click create notification rule. So here you can able to see, right? We need to give the notification name. Okay, like demo. Okay, full. Even the trigger notification on commits, on pull, status changed, rule overdue, source updated, like all the things. If you're doing the commit, right, you're putting git commit -m you are committing, right, in the CLI. So whenever you commit it, right, it will trigger the SNS topic and it will send the notification to your email ID. This commit got happened. Or else if you add any approvals, right, so status changed or anything, it will be there, it will be got reflected. Pull request. Anybody's like we have seen the pull request. So those things only can able to see. Anybody source updated, anybody created, status changed, anybody merged the both branches, those things will be there. If you meet this one, it will send the notification to our email ID by using the SNS. And branch and tags. Created, deleted, updated. If you are updated anything, any branches and tags, you will get the notification. If you deleted any branch, it will get the notification. If you got updated anything in the branch, it will be updated. And if you updated the tags, you will get the notification. Okay. Here you can able to see create target. Okay. If you had SNS topic, right, choose target. Already among demo, just I will select that one as of now. So create and submit, right? Whenever you're committing, right, you will get the notification. Okay. So these are the requirement, even trigger notifications. So how many? We are selecting the all. We are selecting all. Whenever this operation will done, right? On the time I will get the notification. Okay, got it. This is the set in the settings notifications. When you add the trigger, right? Here you can able to see the triggers that SNS trigger will be there. Right? Those things it will come here. Any other triggers will be there, it will come in. Repository tags. If you want, you can tag the repositories. Give the names to identification. Amazon Code Guru reviewer. The Code Guru reviewer will be the different. It will be the testing purpose. Any in the Code Guru, any vulnerabilities will be there, or any open source code will be there, like that. And that type of checks it will do the Amazon Code Guru. Approval rules, templates. You can create, manage, and delete approval rules template to associate the disassociated template with one or more repositories. Okay, here you can able to see we want approval, right, for pushing the code, for pulling the code, for committing. Those things will be associated here. Which repository you want, you can select. Like if you had any rule template, number of approvals needed. How many? One. Create approval pool member. If you had any number, just IAM user assume role. Give the value. Approval type. How you are doing? Fully qualified AR with the using the user. Okay, or role. So if you want to give the name, right, the place of you need to give the name. Okay, only that person only can able to approve the your pull request, all the thing, these things are not. Okay, you need to add, you need to select your repository, associate repository, and need to create the this thing to approve templates. Okay, fine. Okay, everything we did in the console as of now. Right. Okay. We are not going to every time we don't upload the files into the, we come here, we won't upload, right? So we have a couple of developers will be there. We are going to give the things and all. So they need to upload all the things. How to handle those things, right? How to do those things and all in the sense. This is a repository. How to clone all of these things by using the clone URL. Okay. These things and all. But how to clone and how to push the code. So here you can able to see in the IAM. When we are talking about IAM, we have seen code commit over there. Anybody, anyone have any idea? In the code commit, we have seen some credentials. Okay, we'll see. See, in the security credentials will be there, right? Click on here. Come down. We have seen console sign in, multi-factor authentication, access keys. So we are not going to use any access keys here. So what we want to use the SSH keys or git code commit credentials. So here you can able to see SSH public keys for the code commit. So if you had any public key, right, just upload the public key here. Okay. And upload the SSH public key. So by you having the private key, right? With the private key, you can able to upload you can commit the changes to the git commit. Okay. Code commit. So I'm not going with the SSH public keys. I will go with the git credentials for AWS code commit. Okay, how to do? Just click on the generate credentials. So here you can able to see. For me, it got generated one username and password. This is my code commit username and password. Okay, whenever I'm doing the operations on this code commit, right? By using this credentials only, I can able to do. Okay, what I will do, I will download this one. Okay, then I will go to the git bash. CD. Just I'm making one for directory. The directory what I'm doing code commit. See. So okay, here I'm cloning. Here you can able to see, right? Yeah. Clone HTTPS. Click on this one. Just give here. Oh, sorry. Not only that one, we need to give the git clone HTTPS. Cloning into Simon Infotech. So here you are asking what it asking? Username, password. Right. For same like that, when you are doing for the code, private repository, all the things, it asking for username and password, right? So for this and all, we need to provide our username and password. Okay, this is generally this is what is this? Now this is GUI mode, right? Windows. That's why it prompting the all the usernames and passwords here in the Windows. Okay, if you go with the CLI, right, and the Linux, all the things, it won't ask you like enter like this. It will ask in the console itself here in the CLI. Okay. Then what I need to okay, this is my username. I'm copying the username. I'm pasting over here. I'm copying the username, password. I'm pasting it. Okay, done. See, remote counting objects 3 done. Unpacking the objects 3 done. If you see, we have cloned this one infotech repository here. So how to check the repository code? We need to switch into the one infotech repository. See, whenever you are cloning, right? Whenever you are cloning the any Git, right? That will be cloned in that folder. It will create the one more directory. In the directory, it will clone all the code. You don't clone all the code in the existing directory. For that, and what you need to do, you need to fetch the things from the existing one. That will be different. So about it, I clone the things. Okay, CD, C1 Infotech. Here you can able to see automatically it switch to main. Right? Okay, I have cloned, right. The file will be there or not check. The file will be there. Okay. Let's check branch. Main branch only there. Okay. Git branch hyphen A. How many branches will be there here? In the head, main and prod will be there, right? We have 2 branches. We clone the entire repository, right? What all the branches will be there in the repository, everything it will come. So if you want to go to the prod, git checkout prod. Same. No for git. Same thing. Okay. As like same, git and GitHub will be the same. All the things it will be same. See, this code commit also same. Okay. Same commands we are using, same thing it will do. Got it. Okay. In the prod, what I will do, I will create one file. Okay. How to add git add dot check git status. So we have added. So changes to be committed. We haven't committed. So we need to commit it. What to do? Git commit hyphen m prod commit. Okay. We have committed git status. Here you can able to see nothing to do. What we need to git push. See, we have pushed all the things. So here we didn't mention any origin, all the things we remote, all the things we didn't mention anywhere. Okay. See, git remote hyphen already when we clone, right, the remote already added. So origin will be the default name. Okay. So by using the git, already we are in the prod branch, right? That's why when git push, right? So if you want to push the specific branch, you are in the prod branch, but you want to push the main branch code, then on the time git push hyphen origin, you will mention the branch name. Here, what we're doing, we are in the same branch, right? So what I'm doing, instead of using the prod all the thing, just I push the code. Okay. Here I will come and check. Refresh. Okay, sorry, I'm in the main. See, in the main, it's not updated. Why? Because we push the code to prod. Here is there. Yes. Right. You got to understand, right? Yes. How the difference of these things are all. So remaining everything will be same as the commands will be same like this one. Everyone having like separate commits. See, for the main only one, you have the commit visualizer. If you go with the prod, you can able to see. First commit, prod commit. Okay. If you add any merges or anything you did right, this line will be changed. Like from here, this side it will be go. Depends upon the tree.
Okay.
Okay. So when you are working on this, right, you will get to know the compare commits, right? You'll see the compare commits. So different prod. See, here you can able to see what are all the difference between that destination source. Got it. So what we added the demo2.txt, we added right in the prod branch. The main anything is there. So it got comparing the both things. Oh, okay. So if you want to commit on file, click on this, it will commit it to the main.
Oh.
Commit on the file. Here in all the things we can able to see the commit visualizer like in the with the the tray. The tray we can able to see here. In the commits history we can able to see from here. What all the state will be there. Like for the message, prod commit message. So when we got did see here you can able to see when I created right there is a demo. Here author will be changed 740. Okay. Okay, that is the difference between like what are the things it will take by default of repository name committer. Okay, but who committed by my name only I committed, right? Okay. The repository name it will take author and committer. Everything same. If you want check, if you want to get fetch, right? Fetch, it will fetch all the things. Nothing to fetch. Okay, so as Dinesh not able to delete the file, right? We'll see rm git demo. We'll see demo. See, if you won't put the rm right, you don't delete the file, sir. You need to rm demo2.txt. Is it there file? We have deleted, right? rm hyphen rf in the sense why you use the rm and rf, right? Forcefully remove it. So we don't want to remove the forcefully. So generally we can delete by rm. Okay, you can able to see that we have deleted the rm using the rm. We have deleted. So if you see here git status deleted. What I will do, I will create one more file called touch demo.txt. Okay, git status. Here you can able to see one untracked file changes not staged for commit. One is deleted, one is need to add. Right. Here what we need to do git add dot git status. Yes. So it taken like renamed git demo2.txt to demo.txt. Why? Because we haven't changed anything. Like we haven't updated any content in the demo2.txt, all those things. So it identifying all those things. In the git also identify like that. Okay. So if the both files content will be same, right? Then what it will do? It will commit the rename the file. See, we didn't give any rename file here, right? So we need to commit git commit -m updated. Done. Now here you can able to see that git demo.txt is there. Git push. Here what all the things will be there? Code. Demo to same it will be. Okay. Without git push, you don't change anything. Okay, whatever you do in the local, without doing any git push, nothing will be updated in the remote branch.
Okay.
Okay, understand right? So I will give the git push. Git push origin prod like that also you can give. Same like git. The git also same it will work like that. I will refresh the page. Got it right.
Yes.
This is how we'll connect the code commit to our local system and how to do all those things. Got it. And one more thing. We need to make sure on those things. We have given here, right? We are using the code commits, code pushes. So, like in the real time and all, what will happen? I'm the developer. Okay, I'm the developer. Like I'm doing I'm working in the production environment. So in the production environment, I'm updating the code. So when I have updated, right, that for that code will be the one reviewer will be there, right? The code should be review, and after that only it should commit. Right. So we have multiple developers, right? What we'll do, we won't give the access to commit. Commit and push the code to the repository. Why? Because if they push the code, right, it will be reflect immediately, right? So it will be impact the server site. So for that to do that one, like for what we need to, we need to create one permission, a code commit. We need to write the policies. We need to add the policies, and we need to deny the permission for code commit. Okay. Here you can able to see, right? Here what I'm doing, code commit, this one, configuring, this all the effect action, code push to delete branch, put file, merge. I'm denying all these operations for that user. Got it? Like if you provide the full access, right? Anybody can able to push the code to the code commit repository. So why? Because he having the access. We given the username and credentials, right? He having the access. So in the Git, right? The GitHub, what we'll do, we'll select the single one, right? Here for the access key, for the GP key, right? Click go here, settings, developer settings. Here personal access tokens will be there, right? Here when we are creating, right? Generate new token. So we are selecting all the things. So we are selecting all the things, which repository or which permissions we need to provide, all repositories. Permission, repository permission. This will be you are providing, right? How you are providing, we are accessing the repository. So same like that, but in AWS that will be different. How will minimizing the these things permissions will means by using the policy. Okay. How will minimize the access to this code commit, pushing all the things in by using the policies. So here you can able to see on resources condition, the string equals if existed, code commit references, main and prod. Okay, only these two branches. Don't action deny these operations. Got it? If I put this one, right, whenever I'm pushing the code to this repository by my name, it won't push. What it will throw? It throw the exception. Like you are not authorized to push the code. You can able to commit and all you can able to do, but you're not able to push to the remote. Local and all you can do whatever you want, but you're not able to push the remote. Got it?
Okay.
This is the one. Okay, that's it about the this code commit.